Hello everyone, hello student from all the world. Thank you for choosing for us. We are going to see today about the linear equation. Everyone must be know about the linear equation. Unless if we don't know the linear equation, we haven't know anything. For this reason, I am going to give a lesson briefly, clearly about the linear equation. Everyone must be to know. Okay, let's go. Linear equation form has in the form of like ax plus b is equals to c. This is a form of linear equation. Linear equation has this form: ax plus b is equals to c. This one x is variable, this one a number, this one a number, this one is a number. Linear equation form has this, looks like this one has. Let we see by examples. 5x plus 3 is equals to, if we say 1, 3. If we say 1, 3, 13. Let we prove this one simply and easily. Everyone must be to know this one. 5x plus 3 is equals to 13 is, let we prove the value of x. Let we find the value of x. Let we find the value of x. When we find the value of x, everyone must be to know 5x is equals to 5x is equals to 1, 3, 13. When we transfer the sign, if positive, when we transfer to the other side, if it is positive, it is negative, it become negative. If it is negative, it become positive. Don't forget. For this reason, when we pass this positive to the another side, it become negative, as you told. This one also, it can be transferred, it is 3. For this reason, when we subtract 5x is equals to, when we subtract from 13 minus 3 mean 10. When we subtract 13 so when we subtract 13 from 3 is equals to 10. After that, we divided both sides by the same number, like by the number in front of the x. Is equals to 5 over 5. Yes, both sides we can divide. We must be divided by the front of the numbers that become in the front of x. For this reason, x is, it become left alone, and 10 divided by 5 is 2. For this reason, the value of x is to become 2. Let we confirm. When we confirm this, the question is 5x plus 3 is equals to 13. When we confirm 5, the value of x we got previously 2. We can replace in the place of x 2 plus 3 is equals to 1, 13. This mean 5 times 2 mean 10. 10 plus 3 is equals to 13. Is equals to 13. This one we can add now. 13 is equals to 13. Both sides as equal. For this reason, the value of x is 2. It will become confirmed because 13 is equals to 13. If for this reason, we get the correct one. The value of x is too. Thank you for choose us. If you have suggestion, comment, and ambiguous question we can do is together. Don't forget to subscribe, to share, to like, to comment, and we can see a lot of things that prepare you. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice education. Have a nice maths.